balon ako kung masakit ha. Pagani, ginatuslog ko pa lang. Masakit, hindi.
Ko na lang, kamay. Sharp, I can feel it.
Kaya man nagawin na, nakatimo ko. Gano'n ba pagani namin ako nag-timulit, it-timo. Relax. Pagani.
Grabe yung pislit sa dugo.
Pagani, di.
But he's also breaking up the perfect game guy with a double in the eighth with 1 out.
The whole time we look back in the match is that there was a changeup. That's the best that has going on. Entire afternoon loses the perfect game and no hit on that.
Ako yun?
Kainap pa. Tapos yung kainap pa. Kapit ang mukha pati.
Max Scherzer and all four of those are Roger Clemens and Pedro Martinez. He's got, as you said, Ratty, 3 Cy Young awards. He finished in the top 5 of the Cy Young voting 7 years in a row. He has 2 no-hitters and a winning strikeout game. And even though the competition for the NL Cy is unbelievably stout right now, Scherzer is right in the middle of it again. He's one of the best pitchers. Most
Why
of
pa,
us
pa,
have seen
sakto-sakto.
Ba't ako yan? Ba't 8?
Hindi pwede.
He's one of
Da
my
kwan siya
favorite
ka, duro siya kung
that
hindi
I've
pa.
ever seen.
Pat yun.
One of the things that makes it
Tapos
so
yun.
nasty
Tapos
and
yan,
so
madali na,
hard
kaya pag
is that they're able to
hinulang.
get the fastball up in the zone, effectively impact. He's
Okay.
able to then
Dali
throw
lang,
that
mapagani
changeup
ako
that
gakwan.
second
Hinulang ka
And
iba.
you gotta leave shake his head saying, wow, hats off for that. Those are the days that you don't want as an offensive hitter to face a guy like that, the fastball changeup, curveball, slider, well, and that's.
Putol tayaon.
Anong putol?
Tiyaho, oo. Pi, ampot ka nimo ah. Putol. Nakatakot pressure.
Usually occasionally change up, and Randy Johnson was a fastball slider guy who later on in his career developed a split finger. But Max Scherzer has all of those in his back pocket.
Kama
That's why
nakautong kasi ang
consistently
tinanit
he
ay.
is where
Ang
he is.
putaw, ay ako expect.
Ha? Yung dala siya ng tingin.
Oo.
Taon. Oo, nakigot ako. Ah, first time na ito nakakigot.
May nakanto na siya sa second time.
On this
Tapos yan?
Ulat bala agad, hindi na ako.
Wilmer Flores, your turn. Buster Posey on base. He scores. They lead the Cubs 1-0. They haven't swept the series completely.
Tatlo na.
Kaya hinulag ka, Abi. Ano yung bala?
You look at a team that admits in that.
Tango lang ito. Pressure.
This is what he does.
Amo lang mo.
We saw that.
Hindi to amo na.
Also hit the power.
Hindi mo.
Now it does it for San Francisco Giants for the last few
Oo,
years.
pag hinulag.
Oo, hindi hinulag ka,
Wilmer's
Abi.
You're on this team, and they are the team to beat. Their magic number is down to 1 to get into the playoffs. 1. That's partly because Nolan Arenado took Sonny Gray out of the yard. Cardinals up 2-0. Arenado's going to have big hits.
You're supposed to get them early, and that's exactly what we did against Sonny Gray. If there's someone that can pull the ball better than Nolan Arenado consistently in the air for the last 2 seasons, finally that guy, because Nolan Arenado has done it for a long time.
We've all experienced some Cardinal bullpen issues. Giovanni Gallegos gets Max Schrock there. 5 Cardinal pitchers combined to shut him out. The Cardinals' next 3 series, bear in mind, Mets, Padres, Brewers. That's a huge challenge. Miami's been kind of a thorn for the opponent.
Pag wala ka, pumunta.
We're talking about that's a boss. That's your Carlos Stanton, Terrence when he was wearing the Marlins uniform.
Okay na, Winnie.
Welcome to the group.
May pang ka na nadala, may tiga-derm. Oo, kaya may tiga-derm sa bilo.
And the Braves
Daday, waday, waka.
better outfield.
Buta mo,